Maar die kan vrienden blijven met Coco.
Hey, I'm eating macadamia nuts. I sell nuts when I was young, you know. Look de liefde. One of my first jobs. Oh wow, Coco. Look. Got something. Oh ja, hoe gaan we dat doen? Kijk zo. Coco, ik heb hier een nootje voor je. Even kijken. Ja, even kijken. Oh ja, zag je dat? Oh, fantastisch. Did you see that? He's eating a macadamia.
Jij drinkt bronsuiker, toch?
Ja. He has it there in his food. Beautiful. I never saw a bird eating a macadamia nut before, so it's the first time. Okay, gotta cheers because hey, they're talking. Cheers, cheers! Oh, macadamia nuts. You know, I also inspire my children with nuts because hey, mama knows paranoten, cashewnoten, walnoten, pijken, dadels, abrikozen, whatever, studentenhaver, suikers, noten. Yummy, al die noten. Oh, liefde, liefde. Zijn achternaam was gewoon de liefde en dat was mijn werkgever toen de tijd in mijn jongere jaren. Wow, do you know my first employer back in the days? His surname was The Love. Wow. Even then I was already affected by the love. The good love from nuts. And fruits. And figs. Ciao, ciao. Pigs. No, just joking. Only the pigs that are rude and not nice to people. Go and watch yourself in the mirror. Cheers. Thank you, Coco.